So, boys and girls, this is your homework activities for Monday, June 8th. Okay, so we're going to review what we did in our Friday Zoom class. So, you look at page 20 and 21. Okay, so that's the story that we practiced, the trick that went wrong. So, you read the story again and you answer the questions about the story. Okay, so for example, number 1, where did the children go on a school trip? Your answer should be they went to a wax museum and so on. Okay, remember, you're going to use verbs in the past for your answers. Activity number 2. You have to complete the questions and answers in the past using the verbs that we saw on page 22. Those verbs are learn to walk, start nursery school, move house, get a pet, go on a plane, and write a story. In the chart underneath, you have examples of how to make sentences. Okay, so in activity number 2, you look at the example. Did you learn to walk when you were 2 years old? No, I didn't. I learned to walk when I was 1 year old. Okay, so you complete all the sentences with the questions and the answers in the same way. Okay, for activity number 3, you need the audio number 1. You listen to the audio that I sent you, and you have to correct the information that is inside this chart. Okay, so for example, her name isn't Alice Brown. Listen to the audio. Discover her real name. Okay, there are 5 differences. Then B, answer these questions about the girl in the audio in a complete way. Okay, when did she write a story? She wrote a story when she was da 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 da. All right, now let's look at activity number 4. Activity number 4 is about Ben's autobiography, and that's audio number 2. All right, so first of all, you have to number the information in the order in which it appears. What does he say first? What does he do? What does he say first about his life? Number 1, in between the parentheses. What does he do second? Or what does he say second? Number 2, and so on. Okay? Let's go to activity 5. You answer these questions about Ben. See the arrow? The arrow is pointing at Ben. So, where was he born? Remember, he was born means nació. I was born in Buenos Aires. My sister was born in Córdoba. Ben was born in a different place. Okay, and finally, activity 6. You have to write the past form of the following verbs and memorize them. For example, go, the past form is went. Learn, learned. Okay, some of those are in those pages, and some others you have to look up in the dictionary, or maybe you know them. All right, good luck.